Westminster Shorter Catechism, Question and Answer 43. Quaestio 43. Quaenam est decalogi praefatio? Responsio, decalogi praefatio hisce verbis contenetur, ego sum Dominus Deus tuus, qui te eduxi e terra Aegypti, e domo servitutis. Question 43. What, in fact, is the preface of the Ten Commandments? What is the preface of the Decalogue? The answer, responsio. Of the Decalogue, the preface is in these words, hisce verbis, is contained in these words, I am the Lord, ego sum Dominus, your God, Deus tuus, who has led you from the land of Egypt, from the house of bondage. The question then is quite straightforward. Here is the interrogative, quaenam, feminine, singular, and nominative. What, in fact, is the preface, praefatio, feminine, singular, nominative, of the Decalogue? Because Latin is an inflected language, typically the question, here quaenam, will contain information as to the answer. What is the preface? So quaenam is feminine, singular, nominative because it's modifying praefatio. Decalogi is masculine, singular, and genitive. Remember, this is from dekalogos, that is a Greek word which means the 10 words, i.e. the 10 commandments. What is the preface of the Decalogue? The responsio. Of the Decalogue, the preface is contained in these words, hisce verbis. This enclitic ke here is demonstrative, it points. His and verbis is neuter plural, and ablative of instrument is contained by means of these words. Contenetur is a second conjugation verb, contineo, contenere, like so, and here it's in the third singular, present indicative passive. And here are the words, I am, ego, sum Dominus, I am the Lord. Sum, of course, from esse, for singular, present indicative active. Dominus, masculine, singular, and nominative. It's a second declension noun, I am the Lord. Placing the pronoun here, the personal pronoun, makes it especially emphatic, as is fitting for the meaning. Deus tuus, your God. Same gender number case. Then we have a relative clause which describes, modifies Deus tuus, the God who has led you. Eduxi is from educere, a third conjugation verb, and here's the perfect form, who has led you out of the land of Egypt, out of the house of bondage. Two prepositional phrases, both of which use the preposition ex or a, like so, which takes the ablative terra and domo, which are both feminine, singular, and ablative, showing separation. And then two genitives, Aegypti and servitutis. These two agree in case, they are both genitive, and they agree in number, they are both singular, but Aegypti is masculine and servitutis is feminine. Aegypti is a second declension noun and servitutis is third.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.